So as a Toro host, you experience this problem a lot, especially with larger fleets. So today we have our 2014 Ford C-Max and the customer locked the keys in. So instead of calling a locksmith and spending $200, $300 to get into the car, you can go on Amazon, we'll attach a link down below, and you can buy these for 30, 40 bucks. And it takes you 5-10 minutes to get into these things. And this is not for recreational use. In no way am I any professional, but these are your two biggest tools, these pads. So what this is you slide them in between the door crease and you just have to finagle them in. Sometimes they're a little bit more difficult than others. And then from there, all you gotta do is pump it up. You can do this on virtually any car. Sometimes you will run into minor scrapes. It may feel like you're about to break the door hinges, but it's not.
And here's the deal, guys. A professional can do this in probably like 30 to 60 seconds, and you'll get charged $100, $200 depending on what time of night. And there's a week where we did like 4 of these. So get a kit yourself. You're gonna save all the money and some literally on your first one. What are you going for?
Going for the door handle.
The door handle? It's close. That's it. You gotta watch out, it pops out when it opens. Here you go. You gotta pull it.
This one's...
Normally the alarm goes off.
Gonna go off.
Oh, you can
Like
hear
a
it beeping
bomb,
down.
you can hear it. Okay guys, so it's as easy as that. Buy a kit online today. We'll drop a code down below so you can buy these, but in one use, you will save so much money. Definitely worth having one of these. See you next time.